Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Meetup. We click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above we can search about Meetup and you will enter here. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.